Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy. So right now we're getting into our higher rank kick. So purple belt, blue belt, things like that. So what I want to start off with is our inside crescent kick. So from right here, I always like to start, like when I'm throwing this kick, because of the hip rotation that I'm looking for, I like to start this with my left guard stance. So the biggest thing that I'm trying to get out of this kick is not just my leg coming around, okay? That's a really shallow kick. No, what I want is I want a full hip rotation. So my hips are gonna go from here all the way over to here and then back again. So it's a pretty big motion. So I'm gonna take this right leg and I'm gonna fire, again, about 1 o'clock, very similar to our hook kick. I'm going to carry through to 11, and then I'm going to end up in a crane stance. Now, the part of my foot that I'm trying to kick with is this inside portion of my foot. So from the toe to the heel, right about to the ankle. So when I fire, again, here through the target, end up in my crane stance. Right leg coming through, boom, and then back. So looking for that head shot right here, boom, and then back, one more time, inside crescent, hit, and then back. Now make sure you pause for just a second on that crane. What that is gonna allow you to do is just kind of pick where you want your foot to go. So whether you're performing a kata, maybe you're throwing this kick in competition, okay? What you wanna have is some options to be able to escape, all right? Be able to, boom, reset. Be able to get aggressive, all right? So make sure you're coming back, pausing in neutral, because that is just gonna give you way more options in your ability to move past this kick. Now, inside crescent, always gonna be an outside motion, so we've got our outside crescent. The outside crescent is the exact opposite, okay? I'm hitting with the outside portion of my foot, I'm swinging in an outward motion here, and then my hip motion is the exact opposite. So what makes this kick hard is having to turn my hip all the way over here first to fire at 11, carry through to 1, and then back, okay? So don't be shallow with your hips, okay? A lot of people just try and throw this kick out here. No, I want a full hip rotation through, just like practice your hula hoops, all right? So right here, starting with my right leg, I'm gonna fire at 11, hit, and then back. And again, you'll see me hit that crane stance, okay? But I'm pointing it this way, and that's just because of where my hips end up. So when I fire, here, and then back. Again, the reason why I'm doing that is to allow myself more options. I don't want to commit here, like maybe with an axe kick or something like that. I want to be able to come back to this neutral position to be able to maybe get away, okay? Maybe I do want to advance, all right? But you can't do that if you're letting the kick finish for you. Bring it back to neutral and then fire. Now, finally for this video, I want to talk about the spinning hook kick. Now, I'm generally a lefty kicker. All of my spinning kicks are coming from a left leg. So if we're in the ring and I've got my right foot in front, you could be expecting that spinning back kick or that spinning hook kick depending on what you're showing me. Now, just like with any hook kick, we're looking for a follow through, all right? So I'm looking for a good rotation, hands around, eyes around, and then finally, foot around, all right? Easy breezy. So again, to the back shoulder, head around, or sorry, arms around, eyes around, foot around, boom, okay? Nice and easy on that spinning hook kick. Now, all of these kicks right here, these are the kicks that help lead us into our jump spinning kick. So you want to have these really, really dialed in, and you want to start working on, again, finding those hip motions, working on your momentum building, and then finally, working on some jumps. We're going to get going over that in our next video. Until next time, guys, awesome.